Infosys has collapsed -6.75% to $1,051.40, a historic single-session move that demands your attention. In this video we break down what is driving this and what it means. Welcome to MTRS_Market Pulse. It is Tuesday, June 23rd, and this is your complete global market briefing. It is a split session across global markets. The move follows reports that Brent rises after US-Iran peace talks in Geneva are abruptly postponed. Let us start with a quick look at how the major global markets are positioned today. Starting with the major global indices. S&P 500 is trading lower by -0.37%, at $7,472.79. Investor sentiment is being shaped by SpaceX stock tanks 16%, extending slump following post-IPO rally. NASDAQ 100 is broadly flat at $30,347, awaiting a fresh catalyst. Equity markets are responding to reports that a faith-based investing group says it's betting on Palantir, but draws the line at SpaceX, Business Insider. Dow Jones is trading higher by +0.29%, at $51,713. Investor sentiment is being shaped by oil prices on Brent crude slips to $79 as US-Iran talks ease Hormuz concerns NDTV profit. DAX is trading higher by +0.45%, at $25,140. The move follows reports that Brent rises after US-Iran peace talks in Geneva are abruptly postponed. FTSE 100 edged higher +0.72% to $10,438. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Now let us turn to some of the biggest names in global equities. Infosys made a dramatic move today, plunged -6.75% to 1,051.40 Indian rupees. The annual revenue guidance range is the single most important event. Any upgrade above the current midpoint is a catalyst for the entire IT sector. Cobalt AI platform deal wins are the differentiation story. Watch the large deal TCV and the revenue conversion timeline. Rocket Lab made a dramatic move today, plunged -6.48% to $100.29. Government launch contracts with the US DoD provide baseline revenue visibility. The Electron rocket utilization rate is the near-term earnings driver. Any contract win announcement or NASA mission assignment would be a meaningful positive catalyst for the stock. Alphabet plunged -4.99% to $349.68 in a significant session. The market has overcorrected on AI disruption risk to search. Google's Gemini integration is strong, and the ad business compound rate is intact. Google Cloud growth reacceleration is the catalyst investors are waiting for. Any data point on enterprise Gemini deals would drive a sector re-rating. Amazon plunged -4.75% to $232.79 in a significant session. AWS reacceleration is the single biggest catalyst from here. Every point of growth improvement in cloud margin drives outsized EPS leverage given the fixed cost structure. The advertising business, now the highest margin segment, is compounding at over 20%. Watch for any Project Kuiper satellite launch commentary. Now let us dig into the macro picture driving these moves. Geopolitical risks remain elevated. The move follows reports that Brent rises after US-Iran peace talks in Geneva are abruptly postponed. This is keeping traders cautious and supporting flows into defensive assets. Equity markets are responding to reports that Trump's tariffs, Fed minutes, rumbles Bitcoin by what's moving markets. Rate expectations remain the single most powerful macro driver for equities and currencies right now. Investor sentiment is being shaped by oil prices on Brent crude slips to $79 as US-Iran talks ease Hormuz concerns NDTV profit. Turning to commodities. Brent crude edged higher to $80.59 per barrel, up 0.93% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Brent rises after US-Iran peace talks in Geneva are abruptly postponed. WTI crude held steady to $76.54 per barrel, down 0.08% on the session. Traders are reacting to news that Brent rises after US-Iran peace talks in Geneva are abruptly postponed. Natural gas ticked up to $3.25, up 0.43% on the session. The move follows reports that Brent rises after US-Iran peace talks in Geneva are abruptly postponed. Gold dipped to $4,172.90 per troy ounce, down 1.21% on the session. Safe haven demand is being supported by reports that why has gold declined despite escalating geopolitical tensions, cave out. Let us give you our near-term view on Infosys. The technical picture for Infosys has deteriorated. The $988.32 level will be critical to monitor. It represents a key line in the sand for bulls. A break below could trigger further stop-loss selling. Manage your risk carefully. In the currency markets, Euro to US dollar is at 1.15, gaining 0.04% on the day. Pound sterling to US dollar is at 1.32, gaining 0% on the day. US dollar to Japanese yen is at 161.43, gaining 0% on the day. Currency markets are reacting to Ukraine joins Russia in ruthlessly hammering global tourism as Iran, Israel, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Lebanon, Qatar, Bahrain, Iraq, Syria, and more welcome a cooling Middle East crisis while the Eastern Europe conflict again shatters travel itineraries and eat travel and tour world. Here is your market watch list heading into the next session. Keep a close eye on central bank speakers and rate commentary, and key economic data releases. Any one of these could be the catalyst that defines the next major directional move. We cover every major global market, every single day. If this kind of daily, actionable analysis is useful to you, please support us with a like and subscribe. It takes 2 seconds and it means a great deal to this channel. Share this with anyone who invests or trades, they will thank you for it. That wraps up today's coverage from MTRS_Market Pulse. This content is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Always do your own research. Stay disciplined, and we will see you tomorrow. That is your full global market briefing from MTRS_Market Pulse. Subscribe and turn on notifications for daily updates.